this is Natty Coco. I just want to tell you about the phenomenal time my cousin Celeste and I had last night at Cocktails and Curls, Carnella's event. It was Natural Hair Freedom's launch party. We had a great time. Even from the music, the vendors. I vended, of course, for Natty Coco, but there were other hair vendors. People had t-shirts, earrings, jewelry, makeup artists, you name it, it was there. So many bloggers. I would start naming names, but I always forget somebody, so check out a few of these pictures. You see, we had a great time. Now, Carnella's group is meetup.com/naturalhairfreedom. You can check her group out, join the group, see what's coming up soon. She has some wonderful stuff that's coming up very soon. If you're in Middle Georgia, I have a meetup group. That's meetup.com/MiddleGeorgiaNaturals. And we have some announcements to make very soon about what will be happening in our area. Feel free to join both groups. We'll have something that we're going to be doing together very soon. That's Carnella and I. I look forward to talking with you soon. And don't forget to check out nattycoco.com for all my natural hair products.